My dear students, colleagues and friends and followers, every learner of English subject, every learner of English language, every viewer of my channel, all of you are most welcome to my channel, that is the Village Teacher. And I am S.K. Tripathi, your village teacher, under whose guidance you are learning English. Well, at first I would like to tell you, I would like to request you that today you are not to cut this video before it ends. You have to go in this video to the end. Yes, I want to inform you that I have also entered in the ocean of YouTubers, in the ocean of YouTube channels. How it happened, I will tell you briefly about this. Before 10 years, about 10 years ago, some of my well-wishers and some of my pupils, some of my friends advised me, proposed me to write valuable books on English language. And I started writing, I started to work on them. I wrote on various topics of English language, such as preposition, complex sentences, participle, tenses, passive voice, etc. But the problem was that I used to write to a great length, and every topic used to be extended to a great length. And I did not think it appropriate to present so much fat volume on this subject. So that work was remained incomplete, and several registered with incomplete topics are lying in my almirah. Some of them have been lost because they had been borrowed from me, but they were not returned to me. In the same way, during the past 2 years, those well-wishers again advised me to make videos on YouTube in English subject, to teach online, and this work was postponed due to some inevitable and unknown reasons. Those reasons I would not to mention here. You see that this work has been started, I think, a mammoth task. But now it has been started, so I think it must not be in debt. I have presented before you 15 videos during the past few days. Among them, 4 videos are based on poetry of intermediate classes, and the rest videos are on grammar and translation. 2 or 3 videos are based on translation of passive voice and capacitive verbs, and at least 7 videos are presented to you on active voice and passive voice. I have adopted translation method in my teaching. But the main requirement is that my videos should be reached to right persons, to needy persons, those that have capacity to admire them, to appreciate them. So I request you, please send my videos to more and more persons, so that I think some of them will come in my criteria and will understand what I want to create. My planning is to make this work successful that I started. I promise that I will present many more videos and numerous videos on English language as well as on English subject that will be beneficial for the candidates that are appearing in competitive exams, that are preparing for competitive exams, that are earnestly desirous of learning English language, that are very fond of speaking language English. So there will be a great work on this language, and many uncountable videos will be presented to you. I think you must watch my videos attentively. Do not cut them after watching 1 or 2 minutes. Go in all the videos to the end. Watch them repeatedly, and I am sure that one day, that someday, you will like them. You will be surprised to know that I mentioned an event that I wrote on many topics such as preposition, passive voice, complex sentences, causative verbs. I remember I had written 139 pages of my diary on preposition. And I also remember even today that I wrote 39 or 40 pages on participle. I had made 400 sentences on present indefinite tense. There was valuable variety of the subject. So in this video, I want to tell you something that arises in my heart. I wanted to make this video in Hindi, but in future I shall speak something about my life, about my planning. That will be a kind of my autobiography. So I shall speak in Hindi in that video, and I tell you many inspiring things, many unknown interesting things about me and about my profession and about English language. I hope that you will like that video too. From tomorrow, my planning is to make valuable videos on English translation. That is the most important topic of English language, because I think every topic is a complement of another topic. But translation must be taught in the beginning. After that, all the things that are related to grammar, must be taught, and vocabulary is also an important material without which we cannot imagine of English language. Any language without vocabulary, any language cannot be imagined. So there are four pillars of any language. First of them is its vocabulary, and second is translation, and third is grammar, and fourth valuable topic is reading. If a sufficient work is done on all the four topics, one can successful in learning language. So at last I would like to say that you have to become ready to learn English earnestly, and for this you have to watch all my videos repeatedly. You have to prepare yourself from the core of your heart, not only in a joke. You have to become earnest and serious to learn this language. And you have also write comments so that I also may be encouraged. I should also be full of enthusiasm. You have to write comments, you have to like my videos and subscribe my channel and send my videos to many more, your family or your acquaintances. At last of this video, I would like to thank you. Be prepared for watching my next videos.